Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Duck is Awesome and I'm joined by my brother Benjamin Bunnygun. So today we're going to do a hunt with my dog and we're going to hide dog treats from him all around here. And so we're going to hide some stuff on trash cans and the car tires. Here he's getting one.
Oh, we found one. We found an old one.
Hi, camera. So, yeah. Benjamin.
Hello. Hello.
There he is. He's all slumped.
He's so cute. Hello.
I know.
Hello, buddy.
And it's kind of raining right now, but I think we're going to be okay.
Okay, so
There's a dog
we're gonna
bone.
make Max sit up on the porch.
I don't think he got the last one. No, he didn't get this one.
Max, come here.
Alright, we're going to treat him with a dog treat.
Max,
Come here.
It's like raining.
Okay, he's coming.
Right now, so anyway, bye. So,
Sit.
Abby, can you like play with him right now,
Yeah.
and then I'll hide him?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Alright, Benjamin is going to hide them. No. Really? You want this? Sit. 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 Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Well, it's kind of raining a little more. Alright. Alright, you wanna go play? I'm gonna hide under here so the camera doesn't get wet. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. He wants the treats. Sit down. Sit down. Sit.
I'm making him bark, Abby, please.
Sorry. I'm making the dog bark. No. Stop.
Abby, give him a treat. Give him a treat now.
There you go. Okay, gave him the treats. Okay, so Max is going to find the treats. Did you throw them all over the floor?
Go get him, Max. There you go.
He's going to get him.
Oh, he got it. What? It's raining a lot now. Please stop. Now I'm gonna record you now.
Okay. Okay. So he's off to Wonderland.
What is that? Doing this. Abby, no, don't do that.
He pushed it under there. There you go.
Abby, don't help him find it.
Okay, I won't.
Oh,
I'm gonna look around to find some. We're lucky we're tall enough to get the treats.
Max.
Where's any more on
Where's
it?
the rest?
I didn't see where the rest of
Where's
them
the
are.
rest at, Max?
Is there a lot more rest? Oh, it's right there. I see it. Max! Come here. Right here.
Max.
Did you see it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, where did it hide
you a little bit.
more?
I'll help you a little bit. Maxie. Oh, I dropped it. Okay. There's another one over here now.
Sorry, my camera's getting a little wet.
Oh, you found it. Yay!
Okay, we're good. Ben, my camera's getting wet.
Yeah, so is mine. But Abby, we need to do something else. What do you think we should do?
Basketball?
Really? One of us can record.
Yeah. Ben, take your hand and hold it. Hold it like a regular phone.
I'm gonna record with both. I need a scratch.
He's just scratching his arm.
Oh, right in the bush. This is our first time playing basketball today, so don't judge us.
There is a husky, a baby husky over there.
Yeah, he lives over there on that house. The little baby husky. And Abby. Still missed it.
How's that basketball?
I'm worse than basketball.
There we go.
Abby, you should really, next time you make a video, you need to put it like this, so you can. Oh, there's a neighbors over there, but I'm not going to show them. You got shoes on. She just went to a Project Unify.
What? No fair. Alright.
So, switch?
Yep. Switch. I'm switching the camera.
Wrong way. First shot of the day, am I gonna make it? Nope. We put a little bit more power into it. I need to go back to second shot of the day, can I make it? Nope, still not.
I made the third shot, didn't I?
I made the fourth shot.
And I hope he doesn't make the he made the fifth shot.
No, the fourth shot. That was the fourth shot.
Whatever. Okay, so no, we're back.
You're not even putting your phone at it.
My phone is on the way where I turn it towards me, the screen towards me. So I don't know. And Ben's. That's his.
Still missed it.
That's his phone. Me. That's his phone. Say hi. He's actually inside the camera. See? It's kind of hard.
Can you actually record me?
I am.
Thank you. You know what? Just record your face and then your phone.
Ben. Alright, Ben, let's go to the swing. I'm gonna go to the swing. Let's go to the swing. Put it in the bush. Put it in the bush. And take your camera. Camera, bruh. Skip up the bush. Max, we're gonna go and play.
Come here.
You wanna go play? Come on. Come on. Come on, Max. Let's go play. Come on, buddy. We're going to play. I'm going on a trip to my favorite rocket. Ben, you need to close the gate so Max doesn't escape. Okay, let's go. Ben, it rained and then it stopped raining. It rained and then it stopped raining. And now it's gonna rain again. We're going on a trip to my favorite rocket ship. Little blue stars,
Okay, stop.
little Einstein. I know the next part. Climb aboard, get ready to explore. Crap! Alright, so look at this. We can't do the swing. But we can do the invisible trampoline.
Yeah! Let's do this. The invisible
Climbing
trampoline.
underneath it. I'm climbing inside of it. See? Ba-bounce, 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 ba-bounce.
Can't really jump that high with this.
I know. It's gonna be so weird jumping on the trampoline of when we.
Oh, starting to rain again. Phone battery.
Do you want to play Jeff the Killer? No.
Jeff the Killer?
Yeah.
Abby, my video just reached 10 minutes right now.
My video is reaching 10 minutes and 10 seconds,
Really?
which was 5 seconds ago. Max! My
My
dog.
hands are all dirty. Look at it. I'm playing basketball. What can we do now?
We can talk about who's moving in next door to us.
We don't want to give his name away.
Alright, we'll give it away. His name is Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie Truker. That's a weird last name though. Truker.
I was going to say his last name on camera.
Charlie Truker.
We're just kidding. That's not actually his real name. But we're not going to say it.
Yeah, because we don't want
His name
to
is
be
Bob.
people.
His name is
Bob? Really? His dad? That's what his dad's name is.
No, it's not. I
I
met
know.
his dad before.
Okay, this is where we keep all of our storage. It's
Smells like
messy. It smells like oil.
This is my bike right here. This is Abby's bike right there.
Actually, no, I'm already Mom's.
Oh.
Okay, we're going for a little bike ride.
Yeah.
Can't get it. Look at that. That just came out straight. And look what Alex did to his bike. Okay.
There we go. Come on. Bailey's
It's
motorcycle.
not that hard holding a phone while it's videoing. When you're trying to get your bike out of a dirty shed. Okay. I'm going to wait for Ben and we're going to go bike riding and then we are going to do some random things like play basketball and other things and do fun things with my dog. This is kind of hard because there's bumpy stuff in the grass. So I'm going to just walk over there. And to you other YouTubers out there, you guys are awesome, I'm just saying. Especially Benjamin Bunnigan. And for sure, my name is Duck is Awesome. And this is my very first video that I'm making. But I wanted to make it a little special. So I'm doing it with my brother. And we're going to have lots of fun together making videos. And it kind of sucks today because it's raining. And it's my first video. So yeah, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. There's a bump, I'm going to turn it. Turn. Alright, I can ride with one hand. It's not that hard. I only can ride with my right hand on the wheel, on the handlebars. And my other hand videoing. I think we're good for right now. Change the gear. Alright. Okay, so the snow is almost gone. It was going to be a little warmer today, but I don't know. And yeah, my whole neighborhood, it's raining. So we might have to end this video a little earlier because it's raining. I don't want my phone to get a little wet, but yeah. So hit that like button down below and make sure you like and comment too. See ya.